Let's talk about Blum MERIVOBOX. It's one platform for 5 different design options. Let's take a look at all those options right now. The first option is a standard drawer height. We have an M height right here that just makes a complete drawer. From a standard drawer, we can build height and add design really easily. Right now, let's add a gallery rail. All it is one simple click in here, and at the back, we've already changed the drawer to a completely different look. If you have a gallery rail already installed, you can easily add a glass design element like this. From an M height drawer, we can also add a box cap to make the drawer a lot deeper. To add our box cap in, it's super simple. We'll take our box cap side, line the front up with the dowel we've already installed in our drawer front, and clip it in. To achieve the same height as a box cap but with a different design, you can also add a glass insert piece. It mounts the exact same way. If none of those options work for you, we can also add a full metal side like this as well. So why MERIVOBOX? It's really simple. You can keep all these in stock and you have all the different options for your different heights available to you depending on your customers' needs. And where can you get these? You can get it right here at McFaddens.com, from your local branch or from your local sales rep.